Hello and welcome to our video where we explore unique and creative ways to enhance your garden. Today we are going to show you how to unleash the hidden potential of plastic bottles by creating a hanging garden for portfolio. Plastic bottles are often considered waste material, but they can actually be used to create beautiful and functional planters. By repurposing these bottles, we can reduce waste and add greenery to our surroundings. Portulaca, also known as moss rose, is a stunning and hardy plant that thrives in hot and dry conditions. With their bright colors and delicate petals, they are perfect for adding a pop of color to any garden. To create our hanging garden, we will need some plastic bottles, scissors, soil, and of course our portulaca plants. First, we'll cut the top of each bottle and create a small hole in the bottom for drain. Next, we will fill each bottle with soil and plant our portulaca. These plants are perfect for hanging gardens because they don't require much water or maintenance. Once we have planted our portulaca, we will use some string to create a hanger for each bottle. You can get creative with the string using different colors or materials to match your garden theme. And there you have it, a beautiful hanging garden made from repurposed plastic bottles. This project is not only eco-friendly, but it also adds a unique and eye-catching element to your garden. Thanks for watching, and we hope you try this project at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative gardening ideas.